Hello everyone, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you put one name in your Facebook account. There have a new update on it. For this reason I am making a video on it. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For putting one name in your Facebook account you have to go your main Facebook account or main Facebook app. You can see here, and you have to log in into your main Facebook, and you have to go your profile. You can see when I go come in my Facebook profile, you can see I have been put one name in my Facebook profile. So here in your profile probably have two names, so I show you how can you put one name. So for doing that you have to go your phone settings. You can see here three dot line. You have to click first here, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to click here settings and privacy. From settings and privacy you have to click here settings. So according to your phone or your Facebook, your account center can be up here or can be below here. So as my account center up here, so I am clicking simply on it. If your profile center or account center below, then you have to scroll down and click that. Then you have to click here profile. From profile you have to click here Facebook, and then you have to click here name, and you have to cut your last name. You can see here I am cutting my last name, and then you have to go back from here, and you have to go your Play Store. You can see here I am on my Play Store, and here Play Store you have to search here VPN Indonesia. You can see here, and then you have to click here VPN Indonesia. You can see, then you have to install it. Then after install it you have to enable and open it. You can see here I am opening simply VPN Indonesia. And then you have to click here tap to connect, and then you have to click OK. You will can see here it's have been connecting, so you have to wait until it connect. You can see here connected. So you have to go your Facebook, main Facebook app. Then you have to cut your last name, and then you have to put here space, and then you have to click here review change. Then you will can see your review have been approved, and if you went in your profile you will can see your name have been changed. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in the description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.